Hello, I am Dr. Sara, and today I will discuss about how to eliminate tension, anxiety, and depression. 1. Understanding the root causes. Before taking steps to eliminate tension, anxiety, and depression, it's crucial to understand their root causes. These mental health issues often stem from a combination of factors such as chronic stress, unresolved trauma, lifestyle habits, chemical imbalances, or even genetics. Identifying specific triggers, whether they're work related, relational, or internal, can empower individuals to tackle the problem more effectively. Acknowledging these emotions without shame is the first step toward healing. 2. Prioritizing physical health. Mental and physical health are deeply interconnected. Regular exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters that help combat depression and anxiety. A balanced diet, adequate sleep, and staying hydrated also play vital roles in maintaining emotional stability. Even simple activities like walking outdoors or stretching can provide immediate relief from tension. Prioritizing physical wellness lays a strong foundation for better mental health. 3. Practicing mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness practices such as meditation, deep breathing, and body scans can help calm the nervous system and reduce anxiety. These practices encourage living in the present moment rather than dwelling on past regrets or future worries. Even just 10 minutes of meditation daily can shift one's mental state dramatically. Over time, mindfulness helps train the brain to respond rather than react to stressors, leading to more emotional control. 4. Cognitive behavioral techniques. CBT is a well-researched psychological approach that helps individuals reframe negative thinking patterns. People suffering from anxiety and depression often experience distorted thinking, such as catastrophizing or black and white thinking. Through CBT techniques, one learns to challenge these thoughts and replace them with more balanced, realistic ones. Therapy with a trained CBT practitioner or using guided journals can be highly effective for long-term change. 5. Limiting stressors and setting boundaries. Often, people experience tension due to an overload of responsibilities or lack of personal boundaries. Learning to say no, prioritizing tasks, and avoiding toxic environments can significantly reduce daily stress. Managing one's time wisely and not overcommitting also helps prevent burnout. Creating a routine with designated time for rest and recreation allows the mind to recharge and reduces feelings of being overwhelmed. 6. Seeking social support. Isolation can worsen depression and anxiety. Reaching out to trusted friends, family members, or support groups can offer emotional relief and perspective. Simply talking about one's struggles with someone who listens without judgment can lighten the emotional load. Humans are social beings, and consistent positive interactions are key to emotional well-being. If immediate social support isn't available, online communities or helplines can be helpful alternatives. 7. Limiting negative influence. Media overload, toxic relationships, and negative self-talk can all amplify mental distress. Taking breaks from social media, curating your environment, and replacing self-criticism with self-compassion are important steps. Positive affirmations, gratitude journaling, and consuming uplifting content can rewire your brain toward a healthier mindset. Eliminating negativity doesn't mean ignoring problems, but rather choosing what deserves your attention and energy. 8. Professional help and medication if necessary. In some cases, anxiety and depression may not go away with lifestyle changes alone. Seeking help from a licensed mental health professional such as a psychologist or psychiatrist is essential. Therapy, counseling, or medication might be necessary to restore balance. There's no shame in getting professional help. Just as we seek doctors for physical illnesses, mental health deserves the same level of care and respect. Let me know if you'd like this condensed into bullet points or tailored for a specific audience like students or working professionals. I will end with that, and thank you so much for listening to Om.